Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Marshall. I'll be your physics teacher in absentia today. What you're going to work on today is the free body diagrams that we had started before I left. As a review, free body diagrams are when you place a dot to represent the object, okay, and then you draw arrows showing all of the forces. The bigger the arrow, the more the force. So for example, a basketball flying through the air, you would just draw a dot to represent the basketball and an arrow pointing down because the only force acting on it is gravity. Somebody parachuting would maybe have gravity pulling down on them and an arrow pushing up that represents air resistance. If the two arrows are equal, those forces are canceling each other out. If the down arrow is greater, he's accelerating down. What we're going to look at today is the age-old question, who would win in a drag race, a Porsche or a Volkswagen Bug? I'm going to have Mr. Farkas hand out a worksheet, and you're going to watch a short Top Gear video clip that's basically examining this question. Now, the Top Gear video clip, it does show you a little bit of extra background information on them running down a drag strip, but the real question is, what would happen if you drop a Volkswagen from a mile up in the air and let the Porsche race across the ground for a mile? So I'm going to have you start out by just give it a shot. Make a claim about which one you think would be able to travel 1 mile faster, a plummeting Volkswagen or I believe it's a twin-turbo Porsche. And then I'm going to have you draw the free body diagram for the Porsche. I do want you to be simple, meaning don't draw the free body diagram for a dot for each wheel. Just draw the Porsche as a dot, include things like gravity, the normal force, and the forces pushing the Porsche forward. I also want you to draw a free body diagram of the Volkswagen plummeting. Then we're going to watch the video clip, and there's a couple other questions you're going to look at. What's the imbalance of forces that makes the Porsche accelerate? Complete sentence. So I don't want you to say, well, if friction's big. I want you to say, the imbalance of forces are, something like that. Then I want you to talk about the imbalance of forces that are accelerating the Volkswagen. You'll notice the way it's falling does affect its air resistance. Will the Volkswagen be going at 9.8 meters per second per second? You're going to draw the free body diagram for the Volkswagen at terminal velocity. So they do explain what terminal velocity means in the video. And what are the main factors that are affecting the acceleration of both the Porsche and the Volkswagen? And then how would you change the experiment a little bit in order to favor one car or the other? So take a look at the worksheet. You're going to make a claim about the Porsche and draw I guess you can draw the free body diagrams as the video is going. The video is about 10 minutes, and I think that's all I have to say about that. So you're looking at free body diagrams in this one. You can take out your notes if you don't remember the examples we did on free body diagrams, okay? Thank you, everybody.